begin now with breaking news. At 9:30, authorities confirmed Robert Hart, the suspected gunman in the Maine mass shooting, has been found dead. Thanks for joining us. I'm Lena Tillett.
And I'm Gerald Owens. Over the last 2.5 days, it has been an all-out search for Card, who police say killed 18 innocent people. It kept the residents of Lewiston on edge. The shelter in place just lifted this afternoon. Let's get over to Mark Boyle in the Live Center. Mark, we're waiting for a news conference at any moment.
Gerald, this is a live picture right here. Has not started just yet. We will go to that as soon as it happens here. This is the new information folks have been waiting for from the Sheriff's Department locally. The suspect in Wednesday night's shooting has been located and is deceased. The details around all of this not clear about where exactly they found Card. We are hearing it's not too far from his hometown as well as the shooting scenes. So as soon as that briefing begins here, as we mentioned, these are the live pictures coming in. They're ready for it. We'll come back and we'll let you listen in as we get these brand new details in the Live Center tonight. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Mark.